Hello and welcome back to the Coder's Rocket. In this lecture, we'll be exploring prompt engineering and prompt design and taking a deep dive into both of them. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's understand what are prompts and prompting. A prompt is like a specific question or instruction given to a large language model or LLM to generate a desired response. Prompting is the act of providing this instruction to the LLM, essentially guiding it towards the type of response you want. So let's clear it up a bit. A prompt is basically the question that you give to the AI. And when you give a prompt to the AI, that is called prompting. Now you may have noted that we have also explored both prompt design and prompt engineering. And in the title, there is prompt engineering and prompt design. Why is this? That is because prompt design and prompt engineering are two different concepts. First, let's focus on what prompt design does. Prompt design focus is on crafting and clearing effective prompts that get the best results from an LLM. To make a prompt design, you need the following considerations. You need a clarity of instruction. You need to provide relevant context and include examples to illustrate the desired format or style. Prompt engineering, on the other hand, is the process of giving prompts and tuning the prompts to get the desired output. Now you may be thinking, which one to use in which case? If you are just if you're giving the LLM a basic prompt and want a bit of general output, you don't need a very specific output. You should use prompt design. On the other hand, if you need very specific outputs that in a specific style, you should utilize prompt engineering. Now, let's discuss the benefits of each approach. The benefits of prompt design are, first of all, there is an improved accuracy of LLM outputs, higher quality responses, and the better understanding of the LLM's real capabilities. Now, let's go on to prompt engineering. Prompt engineering benefits are as follows. Increase efficiency in achieving desired results in a specific tone or style. Cost effectiveness by maximizing the LLM's potential. So in prompt engineering, it's also cost effective because you're maximizing the LLM's potential. Then you have greater control over the nature of the LLM's output. Even though there are a few differences between prompt engineering and prompt design, they are interconnected. For example, prompt design and prompt engineering do work together. Well-designed prompts can be further enhanced to prompt engineering techniques. So basically, if first you can use prompt design, you can start with prompt design, and if you are not able to get your desired output, you can simply go with prompt engineering to get a more specific output. But both have a common goal, that is to aim to unlock the full potential of the LLM and achieve the best possible results for the specific needs. Now, I want to give you a bit of an analogy so that you can understand this better. So think of prompt design. It's like writing clear instructions for a powerful tool called the LLM, while prompt engineering is changing those instructions to get the most out of the tool for a particular task. Now, let's go through the specifics of prompt engineering and prompt design. First, let's go with prompt design. So now I'm going to give you some tips that you can use for prompt design and prompt engineering both. So for prompt design, clarity is key. Instructions should be unambiguous and easy for the LLM to understand. Avoid vague or open-ended language that leaves the LLM nowhere, and try to make it as best as possible. Try to make it so that the LLM can really understand what you are trying to tell it. Number 2, context matters. Provide the relevant background information to guide the LLM's response in the right direction. This will make sure that the LLM knows how to do it. They know how to do it, but it's like giving an already nice model a bit more examples in the prompt itself to show it the right direction. So provide some context. And that's it for prompt design. Let's go on to prompt engineering. Number 1, rules-based prompts. These are predefined templates for incorporating specific rules or guidelines. Then is data augmentation. This involves expanding the training data for the LLM with relevant information to improve its performance on specific tasks. Finally, there's prompt tuning or fine tuning. This is an iterative process of refining prompts based on the LLM's outputs. You analyze the results and adjust the prompts to achieve progressively better outcomes. So rule-based prompts, data augmentation and prompt tuning, they ensure consistency in the responses. They address potential biases of the LLM and they enforce specific constraints on the output form. Now let's go on to some more general considerations that will work both for prompt design and prompt engineering. First of all, understand the LLM. It's crucial to understand the LLM's strengths and weaknesses for both prompt design and engineering to craft effective prompts. Experimentation is key. Both design and engineering involve trial and error. Experiment more with different prompts and techniques to find the best fit for your needs and tasks. Also, make sure to consider that LLM prompt design and prompt engineering are a continuously evolving field. As LLMs and our understanding of them improve, prompt design and engineering will keep evolving to unlock even greater potential. So that's all for today, and until next time, bye.